Alright guys, I know it's been a little bit since I did a video. The last ones I did was at my toolbox at work. Here's one I used to have at work. This is now in my dad's cluttered shed. That's his over there, it's all a mess. My jack. Also got that little red trolley jack there, and that was my dad's. Got some tool bags there. Some new cord. Some speakers down there also. But really not a whole lot up here. Pretty empty. Most of my stuff's at work. Got some brushes. Little air thing. Got my Mac scanner, tape measure, test light, feeler gauges, some taps, another tape measure, files, flower drawer. It's pretty well a mess, not real organized. But I don't do a whole lot of work at home. When I do, it's on my stuff. So, sorry, I got a bit of a cold. Screwdrivers, Allen keys, a bunch of junk. I think there's a ball jack in there. Some other random stuff. A bunch of paperwork. Flashlight that don't work no more. Busted test light. Magnet. Battery cleaner. Another flashlight. My socket drawer. Got some impact sockets in there. Some other 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8. Just picked this up today. Actually had my old one warranted. It kept blocking up. Had this one and another one warranted. That was my dad's. And one of my dad's 1/2 inch ones. Another 3/8, some 1/4, ratcheting screwdriver, extensions, axle nut socket, wool filter socket. Some wrenches. Yeah, it's pretty empty, but like I said, I do most of my work at my work. I really don't do a whole lot here except for stuff on mine. If I need something, my dad's box is pretty full. I'll go over that in a second. If I can clutter mess up in here. Oh, hey, look, another socket. Goes up here. The standard, that one was metric. This one's pretty full. We do work on a lot of older stuff, so that's why. Tractors and stuff. Distributor wrench. Wheels for those two boxes. I just stacked them together. Grinder. I got some cleaning stuff in that bag. That's just some other little stuff. I have my toolbox out of my truck, so that's why they're here. I need to go back in my box once I get my box in and fixed. The red Homelite chainsaw is mine. That one's my dad's Poland. That's my parts washer, but you see all the stuff that got stacked on it, and it doesn't have anything in it. It did, but Mom complained that it smelled the shed smelled bad, so you gotta get rid of it. But he got just a bunch of stuff: nail gun, drill, electric trimmer, and a little drill down there. That's a corded impact. That's his wrenches. Yeah, see, that is a Menards special tool shop bit and drill bit set. Another, I think drills are in that, and planer and wheels and hammer and stuff down there. It's just a mess, really. I had it organized once, and it just gets, like this. Bunch of screwdrivers, oil filter, pliers, Allen keys. Some more impact socket, or not more, but impact sockets, 3/8. Some deep sockets and extension. More sockets. More sockets and ratchets. Yeah, here's one of them that I had warranted for him. And then this one. But impact socket and other stuff. Some cutting tools, scissors, dikes, just with wrenches, other assortment of pliers. More screwdrivers. Yeah, that's his metric wrench drawer. He's old school. Don't really have a whole lot of metric stuff. Precision screwdrivers, Allen keys, tap and die set. This is deep impact sockets. He's a complete set there, and then he's missing one there, but they're metric and standard. Metric impact socket or chrome sockets. And here is his standard drawer of wrenches. Yeah. Like I said, he's old school. In this box is a piece of shit. Sorry for my language. There we go. Hammers. Some other stuff down in there. But yeah, most of the time we go back and forth on tools. And he's got some hanging up there. Yeah, there. He's got them scattered everywhere. I think those are more Allen keys. That black box is came with the drill that he bought for like $20. I think it's a tool shop. So was that one. What did you get from Menards? Wasn't too bad though. The drill works good. Sorry for poor quality. The clutter. We broke one. Get that fixed. They're not warranted, but actually we broke two. We're trying to do something that it didn't like too well. Actually, I think these are drill bits along with those. That's long. The video's taking longer than I thought I was going to. Yeah, those are drill bits. Yeah, it's a little ratcheting screwdriver you can angle to. You got this whole box from my grandpa, actually. My brother, or my dad, was using a top chest kind of like this. It was bigger. It was my brother's. Well, he took it, and after my dad got this from my grandpa. And you can only imagine the stuff that we had cluttered in that there's stuff in here. It's just, we put this top box. I actually traded him that Blue Point box for one that's in the back of my truck now. So, yeah, we got a bunch of stuff, fishing stuff, and we got fishing poles up there. Just a bunch of random things in here. Ramps, and I built that for my mom, but you see how that turned out. It's kind of being used for my dad's stuff and my mom's stuff and my stuff. But yeah, I'll try to get more videos up. Just been doing a lot of stuff. I haven't really had a whole lot of time to do much of anything. But I'll do an update on what I got for Christmas and what I have bought recently for my box at work. But I'm hoping to get some other tools that I have in here somewhere. Yeah, I find them that are busted. So, but yeah, here's my old 04, 218,000 miles. Still runs good. A creeper out there. That's probably not good for you, not in the rain. But I'll do it. The video of the truck. I don't know if most people are really going to care about it, but it's a video. Jay Young did a video on his truck. His is much nicer than mine, but yeah, I'm only 24, so my dad's and mom's vehicles, or Ford family. Yep. Dad's boat. Dad's Alice over there, and it's locked up. We gotta split it and work on that. Dad's John Deere. Some ramps, and there's old oil. Way back up in there is my 68. I need to pull it out and redo it, but once I get a place of my own, I'll be tearing it apart. So, guys have a good day.